Trefnydd, I'd be grateful if we could have a statement from the Cabinet Minister for Health and Care regarding the delivery of services in Mid and West Wales. Now, last week, my co-Ceredigion Penfro Member Anna Nicholl raised the centralisation of services from Withybush and Bronglais hospitals and asked for a statement on equal access to health services in rural Wales. Now, in response, you said that the local health board is responsible for planning and providing local services. And whilst that's true, it's also true that the Welsh Government is responsible for the oversight of the NHS and sets the direction of travel. And if it wanted to, it could intervene to safeguard services. Now, during the election campaign, Plaid Cymru highlighted an online petition calling for the Welsh Government to intervene and save services, and it also supported the calls for a stroke unit at Bronglais Hospital. And yet, in a response to a written question to me on this matter, the Cabinet Minister has passed the buck back to the local health board. Therefore, given the lack of clarity on this specific issue, I'd be grateful if we could have a clear statement from the Cabinet Minister for Health and Care so that the people of Ceredigion and Pembroke can understand whether the Welsh Government will intervene to safeguard essential services at Withybush and Bronglais hospitals.
Thank you very much for that question. Certainly you will have been here for the Cabinet Minister for Health's priority statement last week, where he was clear in terms of expectations in terms of performance and the availability of treatment across Wales, be that in rural Wales or urban Wales. I would encourage you to continue to engage with the Cabinet Minister. There will be other opportunities to question the Cabinet Minister here, but as you saw last week, there has already been a statement as to the Minister's priorities and that willingness to work across Wales to find the solutions that we all want.